All right. So if you want to create presentations, documents, or even web pages using Gamma AI, this beginner guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, go to the Gamma website and sign up with your email. Yeah, it only takes a minute to get started. Once you're in, click Create New. You'll see options like presentation, document, or web page. Now type your topic. Be clear and specific. This helps Gamma generate better content. Next, pick a style like professional, modern, or creative. This controls how your content looks. Now click Generate, and Gamma will automatically create slides or content for you. Yeah, it's pretty fast. You can now edit everything, text, images, layouts. Just click on any section to make changes. You can also add images, icons, or videos to make your content more engaging. Finally, export your project or share it with others using a link. Yeah, it's ready to use right away, and that's it. Gamma makes it super easy to create professional content in minutes. Once you get used to it, it becomes really powerful.